Here we have the Amazon Basics Cat6 cable on the right and the Mediabridge Cat6 cable on the left. The Amazon Basics cable uses twist ties, which can harm the cable. It is noticeably thinner and the connector does not have a strain relief. The Mediabridge cable immediately feels more robust but still flexible. No twist ties, and the connector is complete with a very effective strain relief and soft flex tab. The first key difference is the strain relief. The Amazon Basics cable is molded to look like it has a strain relief, but there actually isn't any relief at all. The Mediabridge cable is equipped with a very effective strain relief that prevents pinching at the base of the connector. The Mediabridge cable uses premium 50-micron gold plating and provides more surface area than the Amazon Basics cable, making for a better connection between your devices. The inner conductors, or wires, are much thicker in the Mediabridge cable, allowing more data and faster transfer than Amazon Basics. In fact, the Mediabridge cable supports twice the bandwidth and up to 10 times more speed than the Amazon Basics cable. Amazon Basics Cat6 cables are not UL listed. However, Mediabridge Cat6 cables are CL2 rated, so they are safe for in-wall installations. Why choose Mediabridge Cat6 cable? Better strain relief, larger gold-plated contacts, thicker conductors, more speed and bandwidth, and safe for in-wall installation. Here's a look at more of the technical specifications.